What's up, people? It's me, it's your boy, Tito. Alright, so this is what it is, right? So I'm prepping, well, I'm actually stripping down the old 3.5 that came out of the car. So pretty much so far, just to get y'all caught up, I removed the exhaust manifold on both sides. I also took off the motor mounts. So what I'm doing now, what I'm about to do now is actually loosen the transmission. I took these bolts that were on the bottom off. Look at that. And then what I'm gonna end up doing is go ahead and put the engine back down and take the top bolts off. First I gotta take the starter out. Figure I'll just work from the bottom up and take these bolts off first. We in there, baby. Ride with me. Yep. Alright, people, I'm back. It's your kid, it's your boy. So went ahead and took the bolts holding the transmission. You go all the way around the housing. Don't do what I did and I started to unbolt these. Those are not the ones to unbolt. So don't make that mistake. Alright, so now what I'm about to do is go ahead and lift the motor up so I can tap the transmission with the rubber mallet. Go ahead and knock it loose. Hope that's a good enough angle. Alright, I think we're good. Try to slide it back. There we go. Alright. We out there, baby. So, transmission is off. Alright. Alright, y'all. Ride with me. Hit y'all soon. Ow. That hurt. Alright. Ride with me. Alright, so heading to the junkyard. I was pulling the upper oil panel. I missed the damn bolt and broke the dang on lip where the screw was leaking, and that came right off. It snapped in two. I'm heading to the junkyard now to go pull upper oil pan off of a 6th gen that I saw a couple days ago. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna get at y'all, man. Ride with me. Yeah. Alright. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Tito. I'm back with an update. So, I wasn't able to pull the upper oil pan. Hey, guys, go back outside and play. Okay, leave the ladybug alone. Go outside and play. So what I ended up doing, because I wasn't able to get the upper oil pan. Anywho, so what I decided to do was JB weld the corner that was broken. So far it's holding, so I'm gonna give it overnight. Probably get back at it tomorrow afternoon, and we can go from there. I forgot to record me taking off the upper oil pan off of the HR. So what I'll do is I'll make a video of me putting it back together, and it's literally you do the opposite of it. Take it off. So tomorrow we're gonna start cutting and shaving off the block. So we're gonna cut the power steering bracket down the sides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come ride with your boy in the next vid. One love.